mastered the technique behind flawless, light and airy chiffon cakes, it's time to have a little fun with the decor. Now, when you have a staple dessert like a chiffon cake on your restaurant menu, sometimes you have to bridge all the seasons. Let's start with spring. To add a simple lemon glaze makes it spring appropriate. Have a cup of sifted icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add a little bit of lemon zest here, just to enhance that flavor. I'll just spoon it right on top to make it perfectly spring-like. Begonias, they are edible. They actually have a tart lemon flavor, so a perfect tie-in to this lovely springtime dessert. Now the weather warms up, fresh berries are in season, and that's a natural pairing for a light, fluffy chiffon cake. A little cream cheese frosting just takes it to the next level. 3 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter. 6 tablespoons of icing sugar, a splash of vanilla. The cream cheese frosting and the fresh summer berries speaks of that warm weather. I've got a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Now you can add a lovely little frosting too and accent it whatever happens to be in season. Caramel is huge in autumn. So what I have is a caramel sauce, but to add a little more character and personality, I like to do sugared almonds. I have an egg white, and I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add a splash of vanilla, and a cup and a half of sliced raw almonds. Just a stir to coat them, and it's just enough to add a little color and sweetness. Now, the same 325 oven I've had making all these cakes, these take about 25 minutes until they turn a nice golden brown. And after they've cooled, you break them into these little pieces, and they're tender and make an excellent garnish. So, with some prepared caramel sauce, just drizzle it on top of the cake. So that just speaks so much of autumn. I love the combination of chocolate and orange together, particularly around the holidays. I've got candied orange peel, but I'm taking the ganache that I used for the plated dessert when I served the chiffon cake warm, but to make it more of a glaze to go on top of a cake, I add a little bit of melted butter and a touch of corn syrup. Adds the shine. This, we're just going to let it pour all over the top, and then orange peel curls right on top. The syrup from the orange blends with the chocolate. It's just so festive. We've got all 4 seasons here. We've really mastered everything that you need to know about chiffon cake. So now it's time to take these techniques into your own kitchen, bake, and enjoy.